welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you all the things I brought from Caffeine, and here is the box I have here with me. So without any further ado, let's get started. Very excited that I brought these things for myself. So let's open the box here, and I have got this much things. So Caffeine had their third birthday sale. So the things were on a discounted price, so I got these things for me. And first I have got this Caffeine mail open for a birthday treat envelope here, and I have got many things here. These are the cards I got in this thing. Oh my god, here. And then I have these postcards, and then I have a booklet here. So I got these things in this envelope, and then I got this small bag, and it had like two mini or travel size body scrub and body polishing oil. I got this two travel size product in that pouch, and as y'all can see, I have finished this body polishing oil bottle, and it had some like two coffee beans in it, and I have finished it. And I am almost about to finish this body scrub. As y'all can see, I have been using this for weeks now, and to tell you guys, this body scrub, oh my god, it smells like coffee, and this is my favorite body scrub ever. And the next product I have here is a makeup pouch, or a pouch where you all can keep your makeup things. See how pretty this pouch is. And look, it's written Caffeine on the inside. There's the Caffeine print in the inside, as you all can see. Okay, and it's pretty cute. I really like this bag. I can store my makeup into this bag, so I am very happy that I got this thing. Okay, and the main thing I got here is this kit, and look how pretty the box is, the packaging is, and you get lock kind of on the outside. See, this is how it opens. Oh my god, look. Okay, there's this booklet here, up here, and you get like every information about the Caffeine thing and about their kits. And here is the Caffeine products I have got. So this is the body scrub, and this is the body scrub I have here. This is the body polishing oil, and this is the wooden spoon from Caffeine, and same here, the wooden massager. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you. This is their body polishing oil bottle, and as you all can see, there are some coffee beans floating into the oil, And to tell you guys, it smells exactly like coffee. This smells like liquid coffee which we drink, and the body scrub smells like the powdered coffee. Okay. So this is the body scrub, and I haven't opened this bigger size yet because I was using the travel size. And let me show you spoon I have here, and this wooden spoon is cute. Oh my god, look at this spoon. And next I have here is this massager. This is a body massager. You all can massage your body with this thing, and it helps in blood circulation, as I have heard, and it's pretty cute. It's not rough on your skin. People might think that this will be rough because it's made of wood, but that's not the case here. And oh my god, I really liked their packaging. It's so cute, I mean pretty cute, and their products are wow. I really like their products. And both of these bottles are a glass bottle. I mean this body scrub one and the body polishing oil too, and the mini version they give the travel size. These are also glass ones. So I really liked the M Caffeine's body scrub kit. And if you want to buy any body scrubs, I suggest you to please try the M Caffeine body scrub and body polishing oil kit because it really smells good, it works good. And so far I have tried this body scrub kit. It really worked very well on my skin, and I really like this scrub and body polishing oil. So please do try if you all want to try any body scrubs. And yeah, that's all for my video today guys. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will give my Instagram links in the description box below, as well as I will give my Instagram store link in the description box below. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.